Racing boat in the water. So the controllers are at the gazebo, and we have this water boat. And see so I've never seen this down here before, so this is something new. So there, don't know if it's allowed, but it's not hurting anything really. So all the chairs and benches are taken. So finally, dedication. Gazebo at the MNC Lake Artemisia is dedicated to memory of Julia Forker, who had a distinguished career with the MNC, Capital Park and Planning Commission. So here we are. Dedication. You'll probably run out of fuel. Okay. His girlfriend is racing, boat racing at Lake Artemisia. There she comes. So it seems like it has a camera on it also. There we go. Wow. As easy as that. You have a GoPro on the front?
That's right, yes sir.
Yeah.
I see you recognize what a GoPro looks like because you're holding one.
Yeah. I'm shipping the Explorer.
It's a lot safer to hold one in your hand.
Huh?
A lot safer to hold one in your hand.
Because if you lose it out there, you're gonna manage.
If I lose it,
You swim?
No, I don't swim. It's not allowed here.
I know.
So if I lose it, I lose it. It'll blow with the wind in a few hours.
Right.
It has capsized before. It just takes a couple hours. It blows to shore.
Wow. So what's the fuel source?
Battery.
Okay. All right. I was wondering.
Yeah, I don't think they allow gasoline here.
Oh yeah. We have the environmental park and planning. A number of things we don't allow over here.
I
I'm surprised they allow this, because it's the first time seeing the boat in.
Yeah, people in this area too busy building careers to enjoy the life on the afternoons.
So.
What are you doing to all this things?
Wow.
Yeah.
And that fridge break down completely?
Yeah, they keep breaking things without. They have children. I don't know if it's the children or the adults. I think the adults cannot control, because those kids are their kids.
Yeah. I don't know what the law says about. That's what I don't know, if you change a refrigerator within twice in a year, and you can ask them to, that means they're destroying the place.
Yeah, they're destroying. Yeah, I told them. I said they are destroying that. This is not wear and tear. This is total destruction.
Yes. Yeah. Because I was gonna say is that, yeah, you can, if they're destroying too much, you can ask them to vacate the place. You have to check the law within that. And you have to do it within. You can't do it in a. I know DC, you can't evict somebody after the fall starts. They kind of protect.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they get protected for the winter.
Oh, for the winter, really?
Yes, you have to watch out for that. You know, the guys will come in and rent from you and don't pay their rent, and you can't kick them out until spring. So there's some tricks to the game too.
Wow, that makes sense though. You don't want to push somebody out in the cold.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. That's very interesting.
The only thing I would... Go ahead.
In Maryland, right?
Yes, I'm in Maryland, yeah.
Where in Maryland?
I'm in College Park.
College Park, okay.
Yeah.
College Park. Do you mind, where is the accent from? From the Caribbean?
Yeah, from Jamaica.
Jamaica, okay.
And yours is from Nigeria?
I'm from Nigeria, yes.
Okay. Pick up here. Yeah.
Well, I know.
Goodbye. If you can see those 4-unit homes, I would. When in the old days when I could have gotten them, I didn't buy them. But 4 units, you rent out 1, 2, 3, 4. And even if one is giving you trouble like this family, then the other 3 are fine. And then your income is constant, even if you have to shut down one and remodel.
Where would I see such a thing? Can you lead me into getting something like that?
No, I don't see them anymore. They used to be in DC, but they don't exist anymore, unless somebody is selling them out. Then maybe they're in Trinidad area in DC or the bad areas and up in Southeast.
What about in Baltimore? Do they?
Lord, I went to Baltimore and I didn't have a good experience, so I pulled back out from there.
Okay, I don't really know much about Baltimore.
No, they had a bad experience. They would come in and they would come in.
Oh, you have to tape it. You taping it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're taping it?
Talk into the sunset.
I was going to go to, what do you call it, those real estate.
The sun is going down slowly.
Oh. Yeah, they are in terms of buying.
We are getting ready to leave from around the pond. Not sure how long it's gonna take before it disappears. Yeah, let's turn it on.
depends. All depends. Depends. All right, this is a close of a Shipping Explorer. This is the close of a day. We have been sitting here from another hour just to relax. The weather is good, and we have met a lot of people and see what's happening. And this is a good, relaxing moment to close the day off. I'm not even going to wait until the sun goes down fully, because what I'm looking for is a reflection. You're getting 2 out of 1 lighting. The sun shines and reflects on the water. Lake Artemisia is at its best at another location, another stage in beauty. So we come. You want to stop and look at it? You don't want to. So here we are. Lake Artemisia is saying it's love enough, so we should love it. It's the beauty of creation. So bye now for this is the end of the day. So Shipping Explorer is saying bye for now. And stay tuned. Not stay tuned for more tonight because the sun is going down, but stay tuned for more videos on another lovely day. If you like this type of videos, like, share, and subscribe. Good night, good day, good morning, wherever you are. Bye. Ooh, biting up on my head. I can't throw it away. Let me just take it out or bring it.
What you could do with this, Laurel?
Nothing. Me just sit and. Oh, see? Made it.